Let me tell you, running a building is like running any big business. You need a winning strategy to outmaneuver your opponents, which means getting the most from every piece at your disposal, from top to bottom, including, and most especially, the restroom. Fact: the typical office worker will visit the restroom 3 to 4 times a day. Fact: for an average building, that equates to over 1 million opportunities a year to impress or disappoint. Fact: restrooms are one of the top 3 sources of tenant complaints. Fact: all this information is business critical, but you have no way of quantifying, measuring, or benchmarking your restrooms. Until now, Kimberly-Clark Professional has developed the C.H.E.S.S program, which allows you to evaluate your restrooms on a meaningful scale. The first of its kind. Supported by high-quality, innovative products, the C.H.E.S.S program delivers real change, delivers real savings through smarter, more sustainable practices, and ultimately delivers a real point of difference for your building. In short, it's a game changer. So if you're ready to see how you measure up, make your move.